Arduino Nano is small enough to disappear between wires, light, and motion, yet steady enough to turn a quiet notion into something real. At its center, the 8-bit Atmega 328p moves at 16 MHz, a familiar beat, compact and complete. 32 kilobytes of flash hold your code, while 2 kilobytes of SRAM carry the moment. 1 kilobyte of EEPROM remembers what you chose, even after the current slows and the power goes. 14 digital pins wait along its narrow frame. 6 can pulse with PWM, and 8 analog inputs can listen to light, temperature, pressure, or position. A signal can rise, a value can fall, and this little board can measure them all. Nano brings the classic Arduino experience into a breadboard-friendly shape. The same familiar logic as an Uno, but slimmer, closer, ready to fit where a larger board feels too wide. It operates at 5 volts and supports UART, I2C, and SPI. A mini-B USB connection handles programming and serial communication, while its pin layout makes rapid prototyping simple and direct. That makes Arduino Nano ideal for compact robots, sensor nodes, portable instruments, LED controllers, small automation systems, breadboard prototypes, and custom devices built inside tight enclosures. It does not need to dominate the design. It can slip between the lines, sense, decide, and synchronize, while the rest of your circuit shines. A smaller space, a familiar pace, one narrow board, giving every signal its place. Arduino Nano, when your project should stay discreet, but every connection still needs a steady heartbeat.